maybe not. Man, always surprises me to see how quickly some people can come. Let me do the ping. Neat. Okay, need the link now. There. I wonder how many people have subscribed to the work streams on Discord. Let me check. Holy fuck. That's a lot. Hello, Aiko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just gonna count because I don't have a way to show the number easily. 8, 9, 10. Holy fuck, there's over 100 actually. Damn. Didn't think people would be that interested. Well. Should be fine to go and start the stream, I think. Hello Eddie. You must be new around here. I don't remember seeing your name on stream before. Welcome aboard though. Okay. Should be good to go. Let me switch screen. There we go. Sorry in advance for the nose noises. I don't know why it's kinda runny today. Yep, Griffin Park. There hasn't been a stream for the Griffin release, so I guess the first one of the post-Griffin era? Or something? Call it how you want. It's not that late in the US. In the US it's like 6 PM or something. Classic evening stream. Well, in France where I am, it's like midnight though. I blame the music. Yeah, well, I'm in France and yes, it is late, but I regret nothing. So yeah, there's been some progress on the map. Mostly dens, if I remember right. And the second island. What dens have been made? Yeah, there's this trading post, I remember. Oh yeah, the trading post is recent. Pretty cozy spot. Maybe that'll inspire some people to sell some stuff or trade some stuff, since, you know, not everyone has money in a game like that. Dragons don't always have money. Don't mind those props, they won't be there on release, it's just to be available. That's been there for a long time. I don't think the swamp has been very much touched. So far from what I've seen, people seem to like this area. Just this kind of crossroad-ish area with a lot of fruits. Though I doubt it's gonna last. Like, here, around here is a pretty good spot too, if you ask me. There's this den that people seem to not notice very much. I'd give it a better exit eventually. There's this bloody cozy spot, which is new, I think. Yeah, they started working on this area. Not new. Okay, I know one thing that is new for sure though. The reef has some dens that now have some furniture. Likely. So for starters, we'll see better in water than in the current version. You know what? Let me just demonstrate. Ah man, I remember a few neat dens, but they're not. I don't remember where they are. Welcome, Caius. Yeah, some actual ones this time because we actually have a good water system now. I still have not implemented the den system. I'm lazy. Yes. I have no characters there, only tests. Oh, let's just take the griffin. Hatchling, because who doesn't love the tiny? Oh shit. Yeah, but if I'm showing off the underwater, griffin is a bad option. He's slower in water than the other species. So as you can see now, we can see stuff underwater. We've reworked our water system. Kinda took back ownership on how things happen in it. And now it's somewhere it's usable. Now to show you all the dens. That's one I kinda contributed on, if I remember right. What's in the box? Nobody knows. Probably nothing, but in roleplay you can come up with stuff. Hello, Holy Crusader. Yes, the sea slugs are good. Another one. It's been pretty difficult to figure out how to decorate underwater dens, but we kinda figured out, I think. Pretty simple, but the den doesn't have to be very complicated, and I don't know why this card is messed up. More of a rocky one, but I think it looks pretty cool to be on it. Like, Yeah, pretty good place to showcase a character. I should make the ground slate here too. Smaller one, smaller but wider one here. See, we've that's things not a den, right? We really need some new music. This one is still in the works. That's what that white cube means. Okay. It's a bit too sluggish to move around. With a dragon underwater, so the in-game music kind of drives you nuts after playing for too long. Now we're moving. Question of habits. I like moving like this a bit better. So there's this den, which is pretty cool. Got this roof here, which is dang nice, if you ask me. That's a den. So here we decided to use the water a bit better, because after all, when you're swimming, why not have a bed near the roof? You can swim. And you don't have such a bad view from the roof, so... Oh, 1 second. Okay, I forgot to put myself there. Just in case someone comes and work with me. Our team's been working pretty hard on the underwater these last few days, but Draco's been more onto the second island, which is nice. Really needed some work. Okay, I think that's all for the underwater. Can I really not find some dens that have been updated here? No, I guess I can't. Though this one is... Okay, this one is new though. I like it. Oh, not that many people this stream. Empty dens. Oh yeah, this spot is pretty cool too. Good spot to tell each other some stories. That one's a good vibing spot too, near this lake. And why not more? Okay, now the thing that everyone's more interested in. Yeah, it's been removed because we're finally working on the volcano. First, as you can see, the place overall looks better than last time. Ignore this part, we haven't started working on it. Kinda messy around here. Quite some useless roads, but we'll figure it out later. For now, this is gonna be the new Eastern City, with that ground which is just fucking dope. It's basically some water, but protected by some kind of layer of magic, so people don't fall through it. At least that's the lore excuse to walk on water, because that's really cool. That's why you can see kind of a shine on the edges sometimes, like here. Uh, yeah, I guess it's... Those stairs are not gonna be very fun to climb, but people will deal with it just fine. Oh yeah, by the way, the volcano finally looks like a volcano. And the fish is there, by the way, we didn't forget about him. The Rish is here. You all liked it last time, he's still here. Huh? Alright. Yeah, I guess I think that's some Kingdom Hearts, at least. Yeah, it's some Kingdom Hearts, but a remix. Okay, so the biggest change though you guys might be interested in is really the volcano. As you can see, this looks pretty dope. Not that this might not be the best place to hang out, but I guess that does some good to the volcano itself. Which yeah, they started working on that, so now we've got a crater. Finally leading to I don't know what this area is yet, but most importantly, this giant room. This is what the volcano needed all this time. We're gonna be a forge or some shit. I also love the shadow effects that the light does. Too bad Roblox is just stupid and yeah. Also reminds me that I really need to find a way to make a way out for those who cannot fly. Because the Drake's gonna come eventually and he is gonna be stuck down there. Okay, so yeah, volcano is cool now. All those games out there doing some shit, but everyone loves it because they are big names. Like I don't know. I'm actually not gonna give names. You know what? That's rude. Oh yeah, some cliffside dance, pretty cool too. But yes, not. I feel like other roleplay games tend to really neglect the map and just throw fancy shit, whatever fancy shit at it, and don't really think about roleplay. So we're trying to do better than that. Though I still feel like some of us are gonna be disappointed with how underused some areas will be. Like the rainforest is one of my favorite areas, but I bet not many people will use it. Even though, just look at that, man. Well, the sun's kinda in our face right now. Let me change that. Here. Mm, let's say it's 8 a.m. 10 a.m. Imagine walking through that. We're at this height. I find it pretty dope. And then you can find your way up. I don't really know how if you can't fly really. Oh yeah, you can go there. And from there... there must be a way, right? Oh yeah, okay. There you can get on top of the trees. Pretty cool shit, man. What is a horrifying tree monster dragon under the map? Um, it's Dale's pet. That's all I can say about it. It's Dale's pet. Not that I'm hiding something, just there isn't anything else to say. He just kinda asked, "Can I put it here, please?" We say, "Yeah, sure," and there we go. There's Dale's pet under the map. Well, not anymore though. I don't mind the spawn room. Gotta have it somewhere. I probably should put the skybox around at some point and set the dens up. Alright, so now for the part you guys did not come for, which is the script. Alright, let me explain today's objective to you. Oh, alright, have fun, Peanut. And I don't know, Snowflake. I don't know yet. So here's a euro. And look at the spikes, okay? See the spikes? They're cool like that, but what if you wanted other spikes? Or no spikes? Well, because of that, we're gonna make spikes just accessories. But the problem with accessories is you can't do this with an accessory. You can't color each piece of an accessory differently and have some fancy gradients. Like that and stuff. You know the drill. If there were accessories, you couldn't do that because you can't use advanced coloring on accessories. So, yeah, that's the plan today. We're gonna give access accessories the possibility of touching. We're gonna give advanced coloring the possibility of selecting accessory parts. That's today's objective. So here comes the boring scripts. Give me a second. Just wanna check something. Okay. Uh. How do you say? I think that's the name. Yep. There we go. Which means we want to know who touches this. Misc script. Alright. That's the code I was looking for. Normal click detectors. That's gonna be lighter. Mouse clicked and target is parented to the player model. Okay. So here so begins the boring part. Oh wow, we already lost half the viewership. People really don't like the scripts. Well, too bad. That's what I advertised. Oh shit, 4 viewers. No one likes it. So the difference first will be to select things that are not just directly parented to it. So my ancestor, I think. Okay, let's look at the instance functions. Okay. What are we looking for exactly? We are looking for the player's model. Okay. So we want the ancestor, which is named so. I want the ancestor by name, and the function is find first ancestor. In that case, it's bloody near impossible. Yeah. There can't be a conflict. There cannot be a conflict. So now we know it's something that is part of the model. I'm just gonna open this area. I think it's a blinking script. No. What is the other script that does that? It is blinking script. Wait, there's more. Let's color script. Need both. Change color event. Left panel, blinking script. Change color event. Alright. Wow. I have no idea what I'm doing. I haven't done something like that in a long time, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Oh, I see. You just double check that this is the function that reacts. Just say anything. Who this? I wonder what happens if I just do it like this. Yeah, that function is called upon coloring. That's the right one. Oh yeah, okay, I get how it works again. It's been such a long time since I made this script, and it's probably one of my jankiest scripts. Okay, the music at least is good. Sup, Draco? You gonna come? I'm in Dev VC already if you want. Okay. But it also fires this towards the server, so edit model event gotta be and edit model script. That's like the script to do stuff. To do stuff to a model on the server side. So color body advanced. Color body advanced, there it is. This is a function that is called I don't know, it's still nice when you're around. It's just generally nicer when you're around. What do you guys think? Also, I check regularly on the map, so especially since you're working on it. Oh, come on. Why do I care about selected paths? Wow, this thing sucks. Jesus, this thing sucks. Starters, please get me, please, just... Honestly, I can just... Like, this thing is... Yeah. Pretty useless. That way now I can replace pots.i by just pots. Just do that. And just call all the paths, goddammit. Or instead of building a list. Don't need the grouped variable. Oh god, that's a naming conflict. Yeah, I just feel the shit. It smells like shit. And it's a script, so it shouldn't smell anything. I showed them the new underwater dance, by the way, and the volcano. They were really impressed. So good job, Draco. I'm just gonna call it target. Actually, player model. Wait. var2. There we go. Or just target name to respect our standards, and target equals much cleaner. Yeah, Pika did a good job too. Pika Pika, for those who still listening, Pika is usually just an animator, but he decided to move on to helping with the terrain as well. So yeah, he's done a good job too. Yeah, that seems right. Alright, now that's the same code but better. And now we fuck it up. Else if, and one thing I should do is at the end of each case, just to be clear, return. For those who don't know, when you do return, you end the thing. You end the current instruction. Alright, seems good to me. Basically, by putting return at the end, I'm sure it doesn't do anything else. Nor even read the rest of the script, because it really doesn't have to. Why do you put this? There. Now we want to modify this block. Let's remove the others since they're not gonna be touched. And what we want it to do is not break when we give it an accessory's name. I think it's gonna happen here. So it will depend on selected part.value. So how does it happen when it's an accessory? The parent of the part will be the subgroup, then the parent of the subgroup will be the accessory, then the parent of the accessory will be the character. We're gonna need a function for that. Do I usually do local? Yeah, I do local. Did we do any other dance, by the way, Draco? I wanted to show all of our work, but I couldn't remember anything else. Mm, hatchery. Oh, I didn't show people the hatchery. You're right. Yeah, I couldn't find the scattered dance. Maybe those are some? Doesn't feel like it. They're pretty neat though. But yeah, you're right, the hatchery. The hatchery is something, alright? With the fireflies added, some eggs because yes. And plushies here too, which is nice. It's basically the room of the guy taking care of the hatchery. If you guys want one. That's creepy now. Let me just bring the griffin there. How? No, 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 I don't like when I test like this. I want to test like this. The mining area? Is that on the main island? Oh, no, that's the center of the volcano. Yeah, I showed them. Those fireflies aren't doing as much as I thought. Oh, more plushie. But yeah, there we go. Little hatchery. Just supplies there for smaller eggs too. The meat bucket. I really like those flowers. Also, those fireflies really add something. I still gotta script those. Or at least make them shine some light. The room with all the equipment? No? Where is it? The Shikara mine. So like here? Oh damn. That's pretty cool. I didn't notice it myself. cleaning script doing what he can. A room by that. Well, hey, this room's cool too, you know. Chikara mine. Yeah, well, you know, I kind of wanted to show them this, but there isn't much to show aside from those spots. And that we can indeed get lost in it pretty easily. And classic Forgotten Flames. Good job. And some ribs. We've made some ribs models, so might as well use them. Nom 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 nom. Oh my god, it works so well actually. Nom 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 nom. Okay. Nom 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 nom. And some water because they do be spicy ribs. Oh, I like this music, but I don't remember where it comes from. Nice. It's not the music I was thinking of, though. Yeah, mine is cool. Also, even the overview, just pretty fucking cool. And the Resh is still here. The Resh is still here. Protecting us all. The one thing I would like to point out is this thing could be slightly decorated. And this place could use something to make it a good hangout. It's like, that could be like the plaza of the Chikara town. It just affords to be that. Man, I really like how we made the spa actually have a reason to be hot water now. God, I love that. Is a great place to chill. Oh yeah, the new bamboo models. Or is it the old ones? No, that's the new ones. It doesn't. When I say plaza, I don't especially mean you have to put dancer on this spot. Just like a place to be there, you know. And if you want dance, look, you've got like the best area here. You got some utilities on this side. Could also put some here, and here you've got a big den area. Could also make a few burrows, you know. If you wanna go with an Eastern theme, you got an Eastern Dragon Caius. Hey, Carl. Which Carl are you? Oh my god. Oh yes, the den that opens to the water. That's a quality den. That just surprised me. That's a really nice den. Transition from... Oh wow, I really like those dance. Working on transition from volcano to wastelands. Yeah, alright. For the stuff on in Chikara, don't forget to put the stuff we already enjoyed from the previous game. Like the alchemy den was really cool, the volcano medic den was really used. Oh, I get. That's not a bad transition. Oh, I see, another layer to the volcano. Could use some work still, but you're on it, I can tell. Oh, okay, I like this detail. I really like this little detail. Don't forget, Draco, last time we've put way too many roads. Okay. By the way, this area is starting a bit too rich in terms of roads. Just this entrance. So gotta be careful with that. Huh? Yeah, alright. Well, you know your stuff. I go back to my scripts. Good job. I keep checking on now and then. Yeah, that's true. Some are just into dance. Mm. 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 A little cold. There we go. No. Name. There we go. We want the name to be there. And then do hold on. I'm not too sure how you do it. It's been so long I haven't done a while loop. Let me find how you do it. While do. Okay. While while ACPAT, no, while parent, as long as the parent is not the player model yet, we want to loop and do separate with slashes. There we go. We put the parent's name before. Yeah, alright. Alright. I'm trusting you anyways. You're not stupid. You've seen things happen. You've been there all along. Parent equals parent dot parent. That's a string and a half. That's an instruction and a half. Like, that's a weird thing to say, but that's logical. And then return the string. If selected part dot value dot parent. That's how we will detect if it's an accessory or not. If it's not an accessory, we just do our normal stuff. Change color event should work anyways, so I'm gonna move it down to run in both cases. And instead of giving its name, get accessory string selected part dot value and play your model. That way, the difference so far is if it's an accessory, it will have a path instead of just a part name. Also, if little security real quick. I'll put it here. Do nothing if you select the root. For an instruction like this, I afford to write it like this. God, I should ask Hank for a be right back screen because I'll be right back. I guess I can do it like this. Write it here. Give it a bit of a background. Okay. Put it here, smaller. Somewhere there. I put it there. There we go. Okay, be right back. I return. It was the bathroom break. Gotta have those. Gonna bring it to the color pickers thing. Thank you. And there we go. Gotta make sure the custom palette still works. It's gonna be a cool game pass when you can use it. Let me check Discord actually real quick. I'm not gonna be gone this time though. Quack and Hank still being themselves. Let me check the art channels while I'm at it. Nice. Alright. We're good. That should be good enough. Did I remember to... Yeah, I showed the screen again. Okay. So. If... target name I want the string operations. Nah, that sucks. Sucks to do it like this. Oh my fuck. No. I guess I'm just gonna use this documentation. change all occurrences of the pattern. Has been replaced by string.find. Okay. It finds a match, it returns something. Okay, third is optional. Alright, so okay. So if I understand correctly, is target name find pattern, which is this character. Else do all that stuff. How do we split it then? Is there a way to split it? Split! Okay. If an empty slice, okay. Okay. Local. How will I call this table? Steps equals target name split on this character, okay, and for just to be sure there isn't a simpler way to do what I'm doing. Iterate through table. Okay, so that's important to use I pairs. Actually, Roblox pairs versus I pairs. Pairs is used with dictionaries and I pairs is used with arrays. Oh, okay, that makes sense. For step in I pairs steps do This is for this case only. Selected parts no longer exists. I'm just gonna call it... Oh, my mouse going crazy. That's nice. Target. And call target part. So now target name becomes just target. Makes more sense. Nah, okay, I'm messing things up for no reason. Let's not do it. Local. Let's call it target as well. And why is there all those spaces? Equals. For now. Player model. If target find first child called step, then target equals target dot target step. There we go. And if we don't find it, one error. How do you say it in English? Error or error? You say it. Why do I ask a chat? You can't say pronunciation in a chat. But how do you say error? You say it one error or two error? One or two? Well, guess the world will never know. One, so error. Okay, thank you, Draco. There we go. If that's the case, just return right away. And at the end of it, once we iterated through all of them, target.color equals color. Okay. Draco. Actually, it's more convenient to do it with horns. So I'm just gonna put horns and see if I can select. Just actually to be sure, I'm gonna color the horns. Let's say orange and also orange. And also orange. And better, also orange. There we go. And now advanced coloring. Okay, that's the easy part. Now let's see if it works to color it blue. And see if it works in practice. Boom. Done! Hey Draco! Advanced coloring is done. It just doesn't save. So that was the easy part I was talking about, Draco. I like your reaction. Now let me give you a better example, since, you know, those are only made of 2 parts. Let's take the griffin. I think there's some tail tips that are made of more parts. Yeah, this one. Color 1 will be red. Color 2 will be pink. Advanced coloring. And now it's orange. And this will be, yeah, actually you will be yellow, you will be this shade of orange, you will be this shade of orange, and you will be red, and you will be pink, and pink. There we go. Look at that, Dale. You came just at the right time. I just added something very good. For now, it doesn't save again. Also, if you select off of the accessories, if you select another one, it's gone. That will always be the case because there is no way I can adapt correctly to a different accessory. But, yes. Might as well use the advanced palette. Let's make it this. I want this here. Here I want slightly more orange. Here I want slightly more orange. I put it here. Let's continue towards yellow. I put it here. And the last part, well, fully yellow. And there we go. I've been working on my fucking customization thing, man. So Draco, if you wanna design your accessories around it or edit your currently existing ones, go right the fuck ahead. Let me just get a screenshot like this. Actually, if I could just like... Oh yeah, by the way, it goes into the game. Oh, and look at that with Draco's animations. There. Gonna make my little announcement. Not even gonna hide anything. There we go. I just put the plug. People say scripts are boring, but look at the shit they do. Yeah, what's up, Dale? Sorry if I take a bit to react. There's this 6-second latency that avoids some buffering on your end. Alright, time to work on the saving part. What's up? You sent something in dev chat or something? God, I hate how long it takes to stop a server. I still don't know why it takes so long. Dale isn't in the editor, so I assume it's on Discord. Alright, no it's not. What's up, Draco? Why are you reacting like this? Okay, I don't think the blinking script has anything to do. So now the question is, how do I save that? First thing first, I'm gonna see how the saves look right now. accessories. Why are you in that state, Draco? Damn! You're all excited about something and I have no idea what. Okay, so that's how it's structured. Okay then. Okay, so the part that will be difficult now will be the saving. Dev. Okay, I guess now we look at the dev chats. Oh. Okay, we could do that, but you know what else could happen with a concept like this? Well, to be honest, hear me out, Draco, hear me out. Instead of advanced coloring like that, no, listen, Draco. I can make an automatic gradient. I can make an automatic gradient. Because that if we put an automatic gradient, people can have like 5 sections all rainbowish and crazy ugly. You know, just pink, green, brown shit. Intentionally bad. Ah, good point, good point. You know, one doesn't prevent the other when I think about it. So really, Draco, you could just make horn rings. Ringed horns. Draco, why not both? Why don't you have those horns and also some horns with just rings, actual rings? Yeah, I guess so. Well, that's on you, Draco. By the way, Draco, my accessory system tolerates that you have a part being the sun descending from a part, descending from a part, descending from a part, or other substructures. At least I hope. At least the thing I just made tolerates it. And I want my accessory system to tolerate it, so don't be afraid of doing subgroups like this. Like subgroups. Or subgroups. And so on. People don't seem to have even noticed my post. Well, Next is the saving part of things. I love how clean this thing is, by the way. I don't know, in the US we're really in the middle of the active hours. I've got some streams peaking at such times. Whatever. I'm not there for the viewers. There it is. Ah, yeah, don't you watch things at 8 PM? From 8 to 10, it's a good time to watch things. Hey, Quack, sorry. Glad to see you there. Well, you can leave if you want. You'll be missing the tail, though. That's up to you, though. If you don't want to see the tail, feel free. Feel free. That's fine. Hi. Model to table. Okay. Okay, anyways, let me show you, Quack, the thing I just worked on. Because that's really hot shit. Who on earth requested this as a music? Who the fuck requested that? Now that's good. A bit sinister, but good enough. Oh, Draco. Okay, so let me show you, Quack. This still is the best example. That's the one I showed on the public dev chat. So here's how it is currently. Alright. Poor Draco. Just be a bit tricky with parts if you want, Draco. There. But then, hear me out, Quack. I just added this. You can have this be yellow, have this be a bit orange, have this be very orange, have this be red, and have this be pink. But wait, Quack, there is more. Because there is this Game Pass right there that will cost less later. I can buy it as a test though. There. Now let's do it again with the color we like. Let's start with red, then then kinda orange like this. More towards orange like this. A bit more actually. There, that's kinda... No, that's not better. There. Yellowish. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got more yellow. And actually yellow. Now we can select this, select this, this. Okay, we can barely see the difference. This here, this here, this here. And now you got a cool tail. Hello. Ah, bonjour Dean. That's a French person that comes now and then. Well, it's technically already Caius, but I will not release it before release because you see, if you spend your cash on it on the beta, you will lose the Game Pass going into the when it releases. When it releases, you will no longer have it. That's the problem. So that in some circumstances that could be seen as a scam, you know. Even if it's just 75 Robux, I don't risk it. And look at this. Look at this fucking tail. That's quality. Yeah, the idea is I don't want you guys to pay for nothing, so I kinda blocked it off like this. Like, by putting it on sale but for way too much money, I allow myself to test like this. God, this tail tip is so good. That's like the best thing we've ever made. In terms of customization, I mean. Alright. Now to work on the saving part. Yeah, it's gonna be that. It's gonna be good. Alright, see ya Dale. I think we're gonna need that function I just made to get accessory string. We can use any string as a key, so... Well, instead of calling it get accessory string, I'm gonna call it get path. Get path makes more sense. root. And we'll call it the target. There we go. Gonna do it on both. That way I can reuse this function in any context without having to rename shit. And that's exactly, actually, path. There we go. And now I can copy this, add it to the save manager. That way I can use the accessory itself as a root, which is gonna make more sense. Let's go back to instance. I want to get all the children. There we go. Get descendants is what I need. So if in player model we find something named like this and it's a model, there we go. That way I can do this, and for parts because we don't know if it's gonna be a part, so just object. And what sounded bad out of context? I didn't pay attention. Sure. Sure. Either okay. Base part. Wait. And obj.name. We want to make sure we ignore the root. What else do we want to know? Oh yeah, we want to know if the accessory is colorable. Let me get a reminder of how it's handled. And find first. We want to make sure it's colorable because it has something called color group. If it doesn't have a color group, it will not be colorable. Which means also that in the MISC script, so if mouse dot target dot parent isn't player model, so if it's an accessory and mouse dot target, and if it's an accessory part that is not colorable, that's what it means, then return end. There we go. No selecting the non-colorable part. So, if it's a base part, not the root, and it has a color group, get path, the target is the object and the root is the accessory. Equals obj.color. No. We have color to number for the save data. There, that should work. Is there another model to table function? No. Is this really the only place that does that? I guess so. Okay, so for now we only test saving. Have a good look. We'll keep using this accessory since it works well. It's our most complex accessory, so... we want the color to be... we want the tip... let's say we want the... No, this pink. And the end to be yellow. And then we say, but I want this pink to be nicer. So we'll select the second part and make it red. This orange. This that. And this is already good. Actually, I forgot we had this yellow, so... Color 1 will be red, and color 2 will be actual yellow. No, color 1, color 2, yellow. And then we go to advanced coloring. We select this. I'm putting way too much effort into this. There. Done. We make sure it worked. There. Good work. And then we stop. Okay, and now I'm gonna check my save data. My autosave at least. Let's see. Oh, we probably... Yeah, you can see the green value going up and up and up. That's right. That's correct. But you really should put it in a subtable. Let's call it what are you trying? Rocks. That's a lot of rocks. By the way, something I pointed out earlier, Draco, non-flying creatures needs a way out. Big tree? Where? Where's your big tree? Yeah, you kind of forgot about that detail. Okay, well, tell me when you got it. Until then, yes, people will need a way out. Actually, why do I go away? I'm just gonna place myself there and go back to my scripts. Alright, and why is it something so crazy? I'll call it add colors. I need to decide on a name I will not regret later. Add colors sounds pretty good, actually. So why is it such a crazy endeavor? Alright, so... Lava tree? Like in the volcano? In the crater? I'm not totally sure it's a good idea with the whole volcano vibe, which usually is important to have a big open space. And that's gonna take this space, but we'll see. Might be cool. I can't tell without seeing. So now we need a way to apply this color. Okay, if item we don't need those ores in a modern world where Ether detects all the base parts. Which means we no longer need this ugly indentation. Readability. Why do I do this? It's useless. And I don't need two lines to do that, I can just... I can just do that. Okay, it's spelled correctly. Look at that, a well-written code. that doesn't take fuck ton of lines for nothing. It does the same thing. Fuck it, man. Get descendants. I'm gonna simplify even more. Wait, actually, I do not need this at all anymore. I do not need this anymore. Actually, I do. I do for one reason. Just for compatibility with things that will not have the new coloring data system. So I can just remove this and this, remove this and this, remove this and this. Look, even shorter and it still does the exact same thing. That's still the exact same thing. Same thing as this mess. See all this mess there? Sorry. See this mess? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5. Five. 12 useless lines. It does the exact same thing. This is bullshit. Also, this is no longer relevant, so just make sure it's not the root. There we go. And there we go. It's just that easy. Okay. I got carried away. I still haven't done the thing I wanted to do. Wait! I can actually make it even more efficient. I'm going crazy on this shit. So, if... Where's the data? Where's the data? Where's the data? Data table. Data table accessories. Okay. If data table accessories just to be sure, how is it handled right now? Accessories, accessory name, color 1, color 2. Okay. Okay, so data table, accessories. Okay, we're already in the act type, so values. Is there values? Add color. Is it how I called it? Add colors. There we go. Just to be sure, I will use this. If not is nil or empty, so if it exists, and actually, I'm just gonna try this method. Actually, like this. Get path item. From the accessory. Yeah, that's the right one. Species, accessory type, accessory name. Okay. So that's, yeah, that's right, that's right. From the accessory to the part. So if that exists, then Uh, we want this. Number 2 color. The thing we said. And if we don't have a path, if a path does not exist, we use the standard method. There we go. Nothing like standardization, and it's still shorter, and it handles advanced coloring. It should. Let me try. Big reveal. It's the big reveal time, Draco. Please pay attention, alright? I'm gonna load my autosave. Theoretically, it will not appear to have advanced coloring on my screen in the editor, but when I will spawn in, it should have it. Yeah, you see, that's normal coloring. If I spawn in, it crashes. Yeah, that's not quite right. Hold on. Model to table is the issue. Alright. Which means accessories. Model to table is a saving part, so index nil with and it happened twice at different points of the stack. It happened here. Temp auto saves. So yes, saving. And then yeah. That's an auto save. So it fails to save. We'll manage. I'm gonna need more of the output. If it can fucking... Every time, and I hate it. I still don't know what takes him so long. More of the output? Huh? Shut down deadline. Apparently it's my new script that is not working out. Tu sais, je suis en stream, tu peux taper des pieds moins fort. Okay, my brother's just being a dick, that's cool. I'm gonna close the door. Okay, so this is not working. So object is a base part, object has a cover group, it should be fine. Okay, let's try again and he'll tell me what he doesn't like. Here we go. Fucking deadline. Feather one. We're talking about this. I will print the data table. Well, we'll have another painful timeout, I guess. Oh, he is right. He is very right. I forgot to create the table. to fill a table that does not exist yet. Which means I should just have to do this. Because now it's no longer nail, it's a table. Yes! It went through all the feathers without no problem. And it stopped in an acceptable time. So that fixed it. That's good. Then we're gonna need this. Now the issue, well, it saves, but it doesn't load. If I ask to load, I think the colors will be gone. Yeah. Red, yellow. I have to make a new one for my tests. What do you mean? The root has no parent? No. The target has no parent? When called from here, which is indeed the loading. Tries to check the path. Okay. Print. In target. Root. Print. Out. Path. Let's try again. didn't find the parrot. That is fair. I must have indicated the wrong one. 362. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I was referring to the... I was not... Oh, that music. I played. It's from a Sonic game, I played it. There. That will be clearer. It's how to use my mouse accurately when I'm bumping at the same time. Sorry. Let's continue. Sonic is probably the only game franchise that puts music with lyrics and does it right. Perfect. Right, I was supposed to create it. Let's make it. Actually, I can still use my autosave. Casually popping. There you go. And then save it. Alright, start the test, see if it works. Just try. Let's just try. Actually, I forgot to test something. Check if it has saved. Yeah, we see the gradient here. So this should work. Okay, simple coloring as expected. And here. Yes! Draco, look! It's saved! It's saved and loaded. Almost. I still have to do it in the editor. Because look, if I'm in the editor, it still uses simple coloring. But if I go in-game, as you can see, it loaded. Yeah, that was a hard step. I just have to copy it. It's just some copy pasting. Yes, tail. There it is. So, first we get the get path script. Not here. We go back to the right part here. Just here to be exactly at the same place. Okay. Gonna bring this in. Do this change. That'll be more clear. And we should be able to just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it does more than the 17 knights, than those 17 knights. It does the same thing but better. Yes, hi Sabertooth. I think I've seen your name before. Who is it? Let me check what music it is then. No, it's Kingdom Hearts, sorry. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw you around before Sabertooth, but can't put your name back on the picture, you know. There's a problem with YouTube names being different. Okay. So if I move down by 1, it should be the same, but to the right. Oh, that's the opposite. Oh. Whoops. Seems good. Seems good. Okay, so now it should apply in local as well. Draco, look at that. I think I'm done. I honestly think I am done with advanced coloring for accessories. Let me see. How long has it been? 3 hours, and there's been like with the breaks and the little folding around. Yeah, that's been barely 2 hours. Not bad. And there we go. It's here. So they are just in time, Dale, and I just finished. I'm just gonna make this first part pink, just for testing. Pink. You know what? I actually like it gives kind of a flamboyant look to it. I can't stop the game. Restart the game. Like here, you've got a full shutdown, right? Full shutdown. Also, I'm really fucking glad I had this model to table script that just generalizes everything about saving. Centralizes, I mean. And if I go to my autosave, even a hatchling. Oh my god, he's so small. Pink. Okay, I actually kinda dig this pink. But pink, see? It works. It fucking works. I legit can't think of a game that has a customization system that fucking elaborate. At least not a Roblox game. Because, yeah, okay, if you go to like even Monster Hunter World to have a reference, you have all the, you know, elbow width and all this shit, all the body shape stuff, you know. tiny details, 3 colors for the eyes and some shit like that. Oh. There's just one thing that I find not very good. Go back to red. Is that you go back there to do it. Oh, well, I just leave a note. On this thing. Mine. You're gonna take more like 04. No, this duplicate. 02. 02. 08. There, simple. Also, he really doesn't need that much space. There we go. That should be enough. Let me just check on Discord really quick. I like your little forge. Looking at the dev chats, by the way. said she posted a GIF. I don't think I did. Draco spent $1 million on the game, that's... Good shit, man. Also, because I can. Okay, the golden, dark. There we go. That way people can't say they don't see it. Or they're just fucking stupid and I can't help it. But there we go, Draco. Advanced coloring. 4 accessories. That's done. Didn't take me too long. Honestly, as soon as I figured out the pathing system, that's pretty much what I expected in terms of duration. And commit. It's all good. Now you can toy with it, Draco. And it will not even break your old save files. Actually, let me first check that theory. Yep, still works, no problem. Stable as shit, man. And for myself, in the data store, editor. It also looks good by being in a proper folder. Look at this, man. It's also clean. Clean. Fucking clean. All in a day's work. Well, I probably should stop the stream there. It was good shit. Yeah. By the way, Draco, why I'm fainting for it? Those buttons. They could still use some icons. Like the usual save logo here. Details would be, I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. All that stuff, but you get me. Probably something about colors here, palette or some shit. Accessories like you've got horns, bracelets to represent both body mods and equipment, you know. I could also put a title here. Yeah, it's still not very important. Good shit, man. It just adapts so well to all needs. Yeah, definitely Yumi, Dale, and maybe one other person watching, so very good time to leave. How's it going on your side though, for the one person who stayed? If he's curious. Lavatory on disk. Can I leave it on screen? So what's your lavatory? Not bad. It's still not finished, that's for sure, but could be cool. Could be cool. I mean, it's lava stuff, it's not supposed to be very organic, so yeah. Yeah. Alright. Where are you gonna place it? Are you really gonna place it inside of the lava? Or are you just gonna decorate the outside of it? And why there are two roads to enter? I get out of multiple entrances, but those are just same. Also, this thing has light for you. I notice it. Wait. enable shadows to avoid poking through. Oh, never mind, that's just a gap. Where's that other light pod then? No, it's that one. Okay. Also, not on the ground, that's bad. God, I love how the light works nowadays. Look at this. Also, why is it slightly misoriented? I don't like it. There we go. This one too. This is unacceptable. Yeah, I was just talking about how you had no shadows, Draco. Not having shadows just make the light go through walls. That's the other downside. Alright, well, advanced coloring for accessories is done. And it saves. And this volcano's dope so far. I don't think many people will use this side area though. Well, I'll call the stream there. I already said it, but I will call the stream there. Kinda wanted to bring the rockfish back on the boulder of the volcano, but you know, the sign warned me I can't do that. Oops. I wanted to move just the sign. Let's not move it, it's dangerous. I almost did something bad. I almost put the word in danger. Those prints will be so good, man. I spent so much time in them. And this water thing is just nice. I really fucking love this effect you got on the grass. This is just the dopest thing in this island, if you ask me. Well, technically dope. Dope on the technical side of things because the volcano is better. Actually, I don't even know. You've really done such a good job of the city so far. It's still not quite a city or looking like one. Like, there's no lamps, there's no really dance or thing or roads. Like roads made of roads. But yeah, the glow effect on the grass blades is just the best thing. Alright, well, thanks for coming, guys. That was fun. Probably gonna go sleep soon. Tomorrow's a weekday after all. I still, as long as I didn't start, as long as I didn't sign the contract, I still have to keep looking for a job even though I got this offer. That is basically the end of the road. yeah, thanks for coming. Leave a like if you liked. If not that I not that I care much really, but well, not that I care much regarding the usual YouTube stuff. More like I appreciate people like my stuff. So yeah, it's really just personal, unlike the other YouTubers. Yeah, inflate my ego, please. I guess. I sound dumb now. Well, just do what you want. That was fun to have doing that with y'all. And yeah. Come on, I already brought it down. Well, let me see. Oh yeah, my voice is lower than some. Well, I'll talk a bit louder like this. Basically, thanks for coming. If you want, you can inflate my ego by being a like. It doesn't even help with algorithm and stuff. Because, I don't care about that. I'm not monetized or some shit. So, I'm a dick. I have an ego. Leave a like if you like to inflate it. More seriously, I like knowing that you guys all like my work. Here, that was the version with hopefully hearable over the sun music. Okay, thanks for coming by. Wait, how do I do it? Like this. And now I say thanks for coming by. Wait, wrong button.